how to make your own insecticide from the beginning to the scratch. Yes, insecticide spray from the beginning. When I make confirm one, insecticide spray when they say no go cause something else to your body, when no go irritate your skin, your nose, your eyes, when no go dey dangerous or harmful to you, but to the pest you want to destroy. Okay, now if you go to market now, for you to get a very good insecticide, it is very difficult, because many of those insecticides you see at the supermarket shops, in the market, they know they work, they don't work. You go buy insecticide spray for market now, carry and go out, say you won't spray your room because of mosquitoes or because of cockroaches, they no go work. You go see them, they come out. So it is so annoying. So why go to the market to waste money and buy those things, and every day it's not working. So for those of when it be say na get cockroach, a lot of cockroach for your house, you get a lot of flies for your house, shey na mosquitoes they disturb you, or shey na bed bug e do na dey disturb you for house, you better sit down and watch this video till the very end, so you will learn how to make these things. You go do and put am for container, come dey spray am every time you notice all these things. Even if na your shop, you can use it anywhere, as far as say this pest dey for your house. Now before I continue, please do well to share this video. So many people need this. I dey try to make life easy for people, so you don't spend money, waste money anyhow. Spray and share this video. Follow me on all my social media platforms, both Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Recommend my video. Please go to YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's continue. You all know when you go to the market, you understand, buy your this, according from this video that you're watching, go to the market, you need those things when man and they sell, when they put for stick, you understand, buy them, break and finish. When you break them, that insecticide when they use that stick, that green, this one they use, they put for blade, today market gave, but when you go to the market, carry them, break them, just as they sound for this video, break and mash, come back, put gloves. You all know gloves, grounded gloves, add them together, go add ethanol, or you add methanol, or you add isopropyl alcohol, anyone you see for those alcohol, mix them together. When you mix them together finish, come sieve am just as the way you see am for this video. Now that is all. Put am for inside bottle when say you fit spray, and that is all. Spray am for those corners when say cockroach dey dey, those corners when say mosquitoes, bed bug dey dey, spray and put for those corners, and you are good to go. See, we need to be very careful nowadays. Many of those insecticides, they are dangerous. When you spray and finish, you don't see where you go spray insecticides, your eye go dey pepper you, and it's not supposed to be so. You go start to dey cough, you go get catarrh. It's because of those things that I did. But with this one, you feel spray and you go dey eat for inside that place. Nothing will do you. You will not react to it. Sure, you get it. So please, like I said before, do well to follow me on my social media platforms. The same name, Effects Always. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys. Yeah. My partner, chop am.